Welcome back, children. I am Srinivasan. We are going to discuss miscellaneous exercise of 3D geometry, 17th problem. The question says, find the equation of the plane which contains the line of intersection of the planes. Two planes equations are given. Our plane is passing through the intersection of these two planes. And our plane is also perpendicular to the plane r vector dot phi j 3k, I'm sorry, phi I 3j minus 6k plus k 8 equals 0. Okay, so the question is very long, but the answer is going to be very simple answer. Let us start. The required equation of the plane. Directly you can go for the answer. The equation of the plane is the required equation of the plane is I am going to write it in the Cartesian form. I am changing ijk to x, y, z. So x plus 2y plus 3z. We have to include that minus 4 to plus lambda times. Write the second equation 2x plus y minus z plus 5 equals 0. This is the final answer, children. We got the equation. This is the equation. This is the required equation. Now our next algebraic steps. We need to simplify this. How to simplify? First, you take this lambda inside. So 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus 2 lambda x plus lambda y minus lambda z plus lambda into 5 or 5 lambda equals 0. We'll write it as 5 lambda. It will help you to understand better. Okay, children. Now group the x. 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus y. 2 plus lambda into y. Z plus 3 minus lambda into z. X your constant terms minus 4 plus 5 lambda equals 0. Let us check. 1 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus lambda, 3 minus lambda, minus 4 plus 5 lambda. Okay, children. Now, this is our required equation with normal 1 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 minus lambda. Okay, children. And our plane is also perpendicular to the another plane. When two planes are perpendicular, what about their relation between normals? I am drawing two planes. This is our plane. Our plane is also perpendicular to this plane. Okay, they are perpendicular. Now tell me, what will be the relation between the normals? I am drawing the normal of this. Normal, the other simple word is perpendicular. I am drawing normal of this. Okay, children. Now what is the relation you see? When the normals, you say n1 vector, n2 vector. These are the normals. Now, very good. You see that they are also perpendicular, right? So when the normals are perpendicular, what is the relation between that their direction ratios? Yes, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0. Very good. Now this we will take it as a1 b1 and c1. This is the direction ratio of this plane. From this we will take the a2 b2 c2 direction ratio of this plane. From here I am writing phi I plus 3j. This is the normal of the second plane. So I am going to take a2 as 5, b2 as 3 and c2 as minus 6. That's all. So we know that when normals are perpendicular or planes are perpendicular, whatever you like, you can write. Their direction ratios are a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0. So we have found the direction ratios. Directly go for the multiplication. 5 times or 1 plus 2 lambda times 5 plus 2 plus lambda times 3 plus 3 minus lambda times negative 6 equals 0. I just multiplied a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 equals 0. Now we know this is the equation with only lambda. We can find the lambda and substitute in the equation. We finished up. So first you write the combine the two equations with the lambda, and one more clue will be there to find the lambda. 5 plus 10 lambda plus 6 plus 3 lambda minus 18 plus 6 lambda equals 0. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 6, 19. So 19 lambda, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 18 is minus 7 equals 0. Once again, we'll check, children. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 11 minus 18. So minus 7. 10 lambda. 10. Okay, 19 lambda. Now we'll continue. Now here it's again finished of lambda. Lambda equals 7 over 19. Now substitute that lambda. The beauty of this sums is first step itself we'll be getting the answer. With only lambda we need to find. So these sort of questions comes for the exams. It's going to be very easy. So 19, go for the multiplication. 19x plus 38y plus 19, 310, 30, 57, 57 is it, minus 4, 10, 40, 4, 9, 36, minus 76, plus take the 7 inside, 14x plus 7y minus 7z plus 35 equals 0. This 19 gets multiplied with 0 and it goes off. Now 19 plus 14, 33x, okay, 38y plus 7y, 45y, 57z plus 7, 64z, 57 minus 7 is it, right? Sorry, 57 minus 7 is 50. 50 is it, minus 76 plus 35, minus 76 plus 35, 41 minus 41 equals 0. So this is the required equation of the plane, children. We have completed. If you want to find Cartesian equation, change this x, y, z to I, j, k and you can complete the question easily. Thank you.